Yo, what's up everybody? It's Dr. John here, and I am absolutely thrilled to welcome you to one of the most fascinating countries on the planet, Azerbaijan. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just love discovering new places from your screen, you're in for a real treat today. Today we're going big, bigger than ever before. We're about to embark on an epic adventure that will take us across breathtaking landscapes, ancient wonders, and vibrant cities. Have you ever wondered what Azerbaijan looks like from above? Well, get ready because we're launching into a spectacular drone journey that will show you this country from a whole new perspective. We'll be soaring high over ancient cities steeped in history, diving into mysterious hidden caves, and uncovering secrets that most travelers never get to see. Along the way, we'll capture the most jaw-dropping tourist spots in Azerbaijan, places so stunning you might think they're photoshopped. But trust me, they're 100% real and even more magical in person. And just when you think you've seen it all, there's a surprise destination waiting at the end that you absolutely do not want to miss. It's something truly special. So buckle up, hit that like button, and get ready to explore Azerbaijan like never before, because this adventure is about to take off, and you're coming with me. First up, Baku, the capital where ancient history meets futuristic vibes. This city is perched right on the edge of the Caspian Sea, and its skyline is a jaw-dropping mix of old and new. From above, you can see centuries of culture blending seamlessly with cutting-edge architecture. Check out the flame towers. At night, they light up with thousands of LEDs, creating an insane light show. These towers have become the city's most iconic symbol, and the way they glow against the night sky is absolutely mesmerizing. The city is a wild blend of modern masterpieces and ancient walled streets, mosques, and minarets. You can wander through narrow alleys that have stood for centuries, then turn a corner and find yourself surrounded by sleek glass towers. It's east meets west, and honestly, my mind is blown just looking at it. Baku is a city that never stops surprising you, with every view offering something new and unforgettable. Next, Gobustan National Park. Think bubbling mud volcanoes and ancient petroglyphs dating back 40,000 years. It's like stepping into a time machine and a science experiment all at once. Now, feast your eyes on Sheki Khan's palace, a masterpiece of Azerbaijani architecture with kaleidoscopic stained glass and zero nails used in its construction. Surrounded by lush gardens, it's a true oasis of peace and craftsmanship. Ready to witness nature's magic unfold before your eyes? Let's take a journey to a place where the world seems untouched and every view feels like a painting come to life. Welcome to Lake Goygol, a breathtaking, crystal-clear alpine lake nestled high in the heart of the Caucasus Mountains. Its turquoise waters and snowy peaks create a scene straight out of a dream. The water here is so perfectly still, it acts like a flawless mirror, making the towering mountains appear as if they're growing upside down, blending reality and reflection in a magical way. Get ready for epic drone shots capturing lush green forests, dramatic cliffs, and secret waterfalls tucked away in the dense wilderness, all surrounding this natural wonder. For hikers and adventurers, this is paradise. Every trail offers breathtaking views, fresh mountain air, and unforgettable moments in the heart of Azerbaijan's wild beauty. Time for seaside vibes at the Caspian Sea, the world's largest inland body of water with miles of golden beaches and sparkling turquoise waves. From above, we'll capture lively promenades, bustling ports, and the unique blend of ancient and modern along the coast. Next, Kinalug, one of the world's oldest villages perched high in the Caucasus where ancient traditions and mountain life endure. We'll fly over stone houses and winding streets, catching a glimpse of a vanishing way of life. For our grand finale, Yanar Dağ, the Burning Mountain, a hillside where flames fueled by natural gas have burned for thousands of years. We'll get up close to the fire, capturing the raw power and mystery of this legendary spot. That's Azerbaijan from above. Futuristic cities, ancient villages, burning mountains, and crystal lakes. Drop your favorite spot in the comments, subscribe for more, and stay tuned for our next epic drone adventure. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.